guys, first of all I'm already give to the 4 rules related to the net assets method. Okay, so anybody cannot see that video, please first of all watch the rules related videos. Okay, then after these videos watch, because that rules you understand, then after you apply to these questions. Okay, so let's get started guys. Next question, what will be given, read it first of all, then after understand, and then after you apply with rules in practical related. Okay, so X company limited purchase the business of Y company limited, means X company acquiring a whole business of Y company limited. Okay, and purchase the year of 3, and including also purchasing year is a 3 year. Okay, next the profit for the above year are, there are the 4 year profits will be given. Okay, 2003 rupees 61,000, 2004 rupees 1 lakh, 2005 rupees 1 lakh 20,000, rupees 2006 1 lakh 50,700. Okay, so then after adjustment related 3 points will be given. First point, on 1/1/2005, means January 1, 2005, a major repair was made to plant and expenditure of rupees 30,000, which was a charge to revenue. So means in this case, plant and expenditure means repair related normally, and routine of plant expenditure means plants are the destroyed, fire, any etc. So that plant repair related expenditure amount is rupees 30,000. Okay, charge to the revenue basis. So in this sentence what will be say, repair is already I am give to the 4 rules, right? So that rules apply here also. So what will repair of any assets, repair of any asset is a debit. Suppose in this question give to the debit word, then you take less, means consider to the less of repairs of any assets, and automatic depreciation will add. Suppose debit word is not given in this question, then after you take in a add related, means repairs of any assets is a add, then after automatic depreciation is a less. Okay, so here also plant and expenditure rupees 30,000, which was charged to revenue, means 30,000 will be add because the debit word is not given. Okay, next 10% depreciation on reducing balance method. Reducing balance method means depreciation automatic is then after less. Okay, next second point, first 1 point completed. Okay, next second point, the closing stock of 2004 was undervalued rupees 4,000. Okay, undervalued, so you have take undervalued 4,000, that's time you calculate it is a overvalued basis. Okay, next third point, second point is also covered as third point, to cover the management cost rupees 16,000 should be made for the purchase of goodwill basis. Okay, for the weighted average method. So in this case the every profit expenditure with 16,000 management cost, so it is a less. Okay, then after what will be given, means what will be find out, it is a goodwill, purchase of a goodwill for which method, it is a weighted average method. So finding a weighted average method, then after valuation of a goodwill, actual value find out. Okay guys, so next it is a calculation of a goodwill. Okay guys, so first calculation of profit, every year actual profit find out. So first profit for the year 2003 61,000, right? Rupees 61,000 less management cost, means already this question given to adjustment in third point. So less management cost means every year the management expenditure to the cost. Okay, so less management cost 16,000, then after adjusted profit equals to 45,000 actual profit of 2003. Okay, next second one, profit for the year 2004 rupees 1 lakh less management cost rupees 16,000, then after 84,000. Okay, next add undervalue of closing stock, undervalue of closing stock, right? Means already given adjustment. Second point, closing stock of rupees 2004 was undervalued rupees 4,000, right? Undervalued means what will be take you rules related, it is a over basis, right? So means undervalue means it is a less of amount means less related, but you apply the rules related, this sentence you have take to add related, means consider to add. Okay, so add undervalued of closing stock rupees 4,000. So then after final answer, adjusted profit of 2004 rupees 88,000. Okay, next profit for the year 2005 rupees 1,20,000 less management cost rupees 16,000. So then after 1,04,000 will be comes. Next less overvalued of closing stock rupees 4,000, means here take undervalued closing stock 4,000 add right here. Then after automatic next year rules related, the next year automatic here 4,000 is less. Okay, less overvalued of closing stock rupees 4,000. Okay, then after add repair is on a plant, already give to this question first point adjustment related first point, expenditure of plant expenditure of rupees 30,000 charged. Okay, so add repair is of plant rupees 30,000, then after 1,30,000. Next less depreciation, reducing balance method 10%. Okay, so depreciation means riparian plants of that amount base of a 10% reduced. Okay, what will be comes to 3,000. So final answer is a adjusted profit equals to rupees 1,27,000 of a profit of 2005. Okay, next fourth profit for the year 2006 rupees 1,50,700 less management cost 16,000, then after 1,34,700. Okay, then after less depreciation means 2005 depreciation is a less. Okay, then after same as less depreciation also 2006 also taken. Okay, less depreciation 30,000 minus already 3,000 give to the last year 2005. So remaining base you take a 10% reducing balance method. Okay, 30,000 minus 3,000 of last year amount, remaining comes to 27,000 into 10%, 10 divided by 100. So what will come? 2,700. Okay, so 1,34,700 less depreciation 2,700. So final answer actual amount comes to profit of 2006 rupees 1,32,000. Okay, so next calculate of weighted average profit method. So same column means first year column. Okay, next amount weight number column, next last final product total product. Okay, so 2,003 4 5 6 next amount. So first year amount means 2003 amount 45,000 into weights 1, next 88,000 2004 profit into 2, next 2005's profit 1,27,000 into 3, 2006 profit equals to 1,32,000 into 4, 1,32,000 into 4. So then after total product find out. Okay, so final answer 11,30,000 is equal to total product amount and weight numbers total amount 10. Okay, then after apply the formula weighted average profit equals to total product divided by number of the weights. So total product 11,30,000 divided by 10. Okay, final answer 11,03,000. Next goodwill equals to 11,03,000 into 3. So final answer 3,39,000. Okay guys, profit. Okay, so in this case the particular to business carried from Mr. A means Mr. A carry of business. Okay, purchase of 2 year related profit. Next 3 year profit will be give this question 2004 rupees 60,000, 2005 rupees 76,000, 2006 rupees 65,000. Okay, so next adjustment related information. First point the profit of 2005 are reduced by rupees 6,000 due to the stock destroyed by fire. Means in this case reducing word is given, right? So I am already underlining here. See guys, so reducing by rupees 6,000 due to stock means stock are reduced. So you have take rules related. Reduce means it is a less word, right? So how you have take rules related opposite word means it is a add. Okay, so add it is a destroyed means it is a repair related to any asset. Okay, so next second point, the profit of 2004 are included in a non-recurring income of rupees 4000. Means 2004 profit is included. Include word is already I am underlining here. See guys, so it is a non-recurring income. So you have take it is a recurring related items. Means in this case including means is already add, right? So you have take practically you have take excluding, means it is a including means add here, but you have take rules related it is a excluding, means it is a less of rupees 4000. Okay, next third point, the profit of rupees 2005 included, here also same, included rupees 2000, you have take rules related it is a excluded. Okay, means it is a minus, less of rupees 2000. Then after being income on investment. And next point means next sentence also related to the third point. Okay, the premium means it is a extra amount, means plus, right? You have take it normally premium means it is a add, right? But in this case means opposite, take to rules related, means premium means extra amount, but you have take means you have used to apply the rules base, it is premium means less to consider. So premium for the same estimated amount of rupees 1000 per month. Okay, so next last point, for the purpose of valuation of goodwill, annual charge means every year annual charge of management cost rupees 8000. Okay, so next final answer. So first of all see here guys, so adjustment related points of first point. Okay, it is a second point, it is a third, it is a fourth, it is a fifth. Okay, so here fourth point, what will given the premium for the same estimated at rupees 1000 per month, means here cannot any particular year will not given this sentence. So you have take totally 3 year profit, right? So totally 3 year profit means every profit you have take less premium for estimated cost of rupees 1000. Okay, so this premium is a less consider in every year profit. Okay, so final answer calculation of goodwill. So calculate means actual profit find out. So first year profit for the year 2004 rupees 60,000 less insurance premium rupees 1000. Okay, next then after 59,000. Next less management cost rupees 8000, means it is the last fifth point, rupees 8000 is also here take, means it is every year cost management expenditure. Okay, so then after what will comes 51,000, right? So next continue also there. Next less non-recurring income. Okay, so non-recurring income is a 4000. Then after final answer adjusted profit rupees 47,000 of 2004. Okay, next second one, the profit for the year 2005 rupees 76,000 less insurance premium 1000 less management cost 8000. Okay, it is a both are normally take every year. Next final answer 67,000. Then after add a stock destroyed by fire rupees 6,000, means already given in this point in adjustment of the first one, mostly first one. Okay, so adjustment of first one point. Okay guys, next less income on investment rupees 2000, adjustment related third point is given. Next final answer adjusted profit 71,000. Next third one, profit for the year 2006 rupees 65,000 less insurance premium 1000 less management cost 8000. So final answer adjusted profit equals to 56,000. Next find out simple average profit method. Okay, so simple average profit method equals to total profit divided by number of the year. So total profit 47,000 plus 71,000 plus 56,000 divided by number of the year of profit 3 year. Okay, so final answer 58,000 of simple average profit. Next find out goodwill. Goodwill equals to average profit into number of purchasing year. So average profit 58,000 into number of purchase already given in this question, 2 year purchases. So final answer 1,16,000. Okay, next this is the homework for you guys, and you have solved this question to solve the answer. Okay, and any doubt please ask me guys. Okay. Thank you so much. Here continue part, okay, homework related, this continue part of, and also adjustment related information, okay.